Hey there, DIY enthusiasts, let's talk kitchens. Did you know that brand new kitchen cabinets can cost as much as a small car? It's true, we're talking thousands and thousands of dollars. That's a hefty chunk of change for anyone, right? But don't worry, there's a much more budget-friendly solution, giving your existing cabinets a stunning makeover. It's amazing what a little DIY magic can do. You can transform your kitchen without breaking the bank. This isn't about settling for second best, it's about being smart with your money and flexing your creative muscles. Trust me, the results will be just as impressive as a brand new kitchen, but without the hefty price tag. A DIY kitchen cabinet makeover is all about taking what you already have and making it shine. It's about infusing your personality into your kitchen without spending a fortune. Think of it like this. You're not just painting cabinets, you're creating a whole new look and feel for your kitchen. You're adding value to your home and learning valuable skills along the way. This project is perfect for homeowners of all skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, a cabinet makeover is a manageable and rewarding project. And the best part, you'll have a kitchen you're proud to show off, all while sticking to your budget. Let's face it, kitchen cabinets take a beating. Day in and day out, they endure the hustle and bustle of our daily lives. Years of cooking, spills, and everyday wear and tear can leave them looking tired and dated. The constant exposure to heat, moisture, and the occasional kitchen mishap doesn't help either. The once shiny finish might be dull and scratched, the color might be stuck in a time warp, and the doors might creak and groan every time you open them. It's like your kitchen is crying out for a makeover, and if you're thinking of replacing them, well, as we've already established, that's a pricey endeavor. The cost of new cabinets alone can be staggering. New cabinets mean new countertops, possibly new appliances to match, and suddenly you're looking at a full-blown kitchen renovation. The expenses can quickly add up, making it a daunting project for many homeowners. But there's good news. You don't have to live with those tired cabinets or drain your savings account. There are budget-friendly alternatives that can give your kitchen a fresh, updated look without breaking the bank. A DIY makeover can address all those issues and more. With a little creativity and effort, you can transform your kitchen cabinets into something you can be proud of. A fresh coat of paint, some new hardware, and a bit of elbow grease can work wonders. Not only will it breathe new life into your kitchen, but it will also give you a sense of accomplishment and pride in your home. So, roll up your sleeves and get ready to tackle those tired cabinets. Your dream kitchen is just a DIY project away. Ready to roll up your sleeves and give those cabinets a new lease on life? Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a first-timer, transforming your cabinets can be a rewarding project that breathes new life into your kitchen. Great! Here's what you'll need to gather before you begin your DIY cabinet makeover. Having the right tools and materials on hand will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. Cleaning supplies. Start with a clean slate. You'll need a good degreaser to remove any built-up grime and grease from your cabinets. Sugar soap is excellent for this purpose. Don't forget sponges and cloths to wipe everything down thoroughly. Sandpaper, different grits for smoothing out imperfections and prepping the surface for paint. Start with a coarser grit to remove old finishes and then move to a finer grit for a smooth surface. Painter's tape. Protect your walls and countertops from stray paint. This will save you a lot of cleanup time later. Primer. This helps the paint adhere properly and provides a smooth, even finish. A good primer can make a huge difference in the durability and appearance of your paint job. Paint. Choose a high-quality paint that's durable and easy to clean. Consider the finish as well. Semi-gloss or satin finishes are often best for cabinets. Paint brushes and rollers. Get the right tools for a smooth, even application. Quality brushes and rollers can make the painting process much easier and give you a professional-looking result. New hardware? Give your cabinets a finishing touch with new knobs or handles. This small change can have a big impact on the overall look of your kitchen. Remember, the quality of your materials will directly impact the final result. Investing in good supplies will pay off in the long run. Don't skimp on the essentials. Make sure you have everything you need before you start to avoid any interruptions. Now that you've got your tools ready, let's dive into the fun part, transforming those cabinets. With a little effort and creativity, you'll have a kitchen that looks brand new. Section 5. Painting power. A fresh coat for your cabinets. Choosing the right paint is crucial for a successful cabinet makeover. Opt for a durable, washable paint that can withstand the wear and tear of a busy kitchen. You'll want something that can handle splatters, spills, and frequent cleaning. Consider the finish you want. High gloss finishes are easy to wipe clean but can highlight imperfections. Matte finishes are more forgiving but might require a bit more effort to keep clean. Satin finishes offer a good balance between the two. Don't forget the primer. Priming your cabinets is essential for a professional-looking finish. It helps the paint adhere properly and prevents it from being absorbed into the wood, resulting in a smoother, more even coat. Now for the moment you've been waiting for, the actual makeover. Transforming your kitchen cabinets can be a rewarding project that breathes new life into your space. Whether you're looking to modernize your kitchen or simply refresh its look, this guide will walk you through every step. Follow these steps to transform your kitchen cabinets. With a little patience and the right tools, you'll achieve a professional-looking finish. Prep work is key. Remove all doors, drawers, and hardware. This ensures you have a clean slate to work with and makes the painting process much easier. Thoroughly clean all surfaces with degreaser and sugar soap to remove grease, grime, and any residue. This step is crucial as it ensures the paint adheres properly and lasts longer. Smooth operator. Lightly sand all surfaces with fine grit sandpaper. Sanding helps to create a smooth surface for the primer and paint to adhere to, ensuring a flawless finish. This creates better adhesion for the primer and paint. A well-prepared surface is the foundation of a successful paint job. Wipe away any sanding dust with a damp cloth. This step is essential to avoid any imperfections in the paint. Prime time. Apply a thin, even coat of primer to all surfaces, ensuring you cover every nook and cranny, following the grain of the wood. This technique helps to maintain the natural look of the wood while providing a solid base for the paint. Allow it to dry completely according to the manufacturer's instructions. Patience is key here. Rushing this step can lead to a less durable finish. Paint perfection. Apply 2 coats of paint, making sure to use smooth, even strokes, allowing ample drying time between coats. This ensures that each layer is fully set before the next one is applied, preventing any smudging or unevenness. Use a high-quality brush or roller for a smooth, even finish. Investing in good tools can make a significant difference in the final outcome. Hardware upgrade. While the paint dries, take this opportunity to upgrade your cabinet hardware. Install your new hardware on the doors and drawers. New handles and knobs can dramatically change the look of your cabinets. This is an easy way to instantly update the look of your cabinets. Choose hardware that complements your new paint color and overall kitchen design. Reassembly time. Once the paint is completely dry, it's time to put everything back together. Reattach the doors, drawers, and hardware to their respective places. Make sure everything is securely fastened and aligned properly. Stand back and admire your handiwork. You've successfully transformed your kitchen cabinets, giving your space a fresh new look. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and the compliments from friends and family. Remember those tired, dated cabinets we talked about? Well, they're a thing of the past. With a fresh coat of paint and some new hardware, your kitchen has undergone a remarkable transformation. The once drab cabinets now pop with personality. The color is fresh and modern. The finish is smooth and flawless, and the new hardware adds a touch of elegance. It's like having a brand new kitchen without the hefty price tag. But it's not just about the aesthetics. This makeover has breathed new life into your entire kitchen. It feels brighter, more inviting, and more functional. You'll love spending time in your revitalized cooking space. Congratulations, DIY superstar! You've successfully transformed your kitchen cabinets on a budget, proving that you don't need a big budget to make a big impact. Let's recap the journey. You learned about the shocking cost of new cabinets and the budget-friendly alternative of a DIY makeover. You identified common problems with old cabinets and the benefits of giving them a fresh start. You gathered the necessary materials and learned the importance of quality tools and paint. You mastered the art of prepping, priming, and painting your cabinets to perfection. You added the finishing touch with new hardware, instantly elevating the look of your kitchen. The result? A stunning kitchen transformation that you can be proud of. You've saved money, learned valuable skills, and created a space you love. Don't let the DIY fun stop there. Subscribe to our channel for more budget-friendly tips, tricks, and inspiration to transform your home. From simple upgrades to full-blown renovations, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Remember, with a little creativity and a can-do attitude, anything is possible.